I'm Shelly.
I'm Kim.
We are
Tastin' Ladies.
Ooh. All right, our next drink for the 4th of July weekend is called boat drink.
Drink or drink?
Drink.
Drink. The
Boat drink.
Oh.
That is going to be coconut rum, pineapple juice, and mango fruit beer.
That's what we want, is a drunk boat.
Now, I couldn't find official mango fruit beer, so we got mango cart, which is a mango wheat ale. So, same thing.
Yeah, we've done this one.
We got 1.5 ounce coconut rum, 2.5 ounce pineapple juice, and 3 ounce fruit mango with ice. So let's go ahead and start with the ice. Ice, baby.
Here we go with that again.
Yep.
Yummy.
Apparently I don't know how to do ice. Jesus. It's nice and breezy.
We have a breeze on a heat index
nice.
of 106.
Yeah. Was it 106? We're supposed to get up to 115 today.
Ugh.
That is too much.
Very
All right.
hot, yeah.
So 1.5 ounce of coconut rum. All right, so we're gonna go 1.5 ounce. And get your favorite coconut rum. Oh, that was more than. All right, so I'm gonna go chinga chinga chinga, chinga chinga, and chinga chinga. Getting a little bit more rum. All right, 2.5 ounces of pineapple juice. They were in a cooler, so the labels came off because they were in an ice cooler.
They're really not pineapple juice.
I can actually read it. I really can. 2.5. 2.5.
My dog is out here in this heat. He should not be in the heat, but he won't go in the house.
2.5. So this is a 5 ounce can apparently. Hi baby. And then 3 ounces of mango fruit beer. Oh, I got a lot ahead on this. All right.
Mango fruit beer?
Mango fruit beer. I'm getting my paper wet. One. Over here. 2. I'm gonna go a little bit more because I got all that head. So it's really not quite like, there we go.
We're checking the radar for storms.
We don't want storms. Because we're gonna take the boat out and go to
Boat
Mexican.
drinking. Our favorite Mexican.
All right.
So that about does it.
Stir. Sticking her finger in it again. Sticking her finger in it. All right. So this is boat drink.
Smells delish.
Oh my God! I like that
I
one
know.
too.
She's gonna chug that down.
It's gonna go down really easy.
Ooh. Keep an eye on that. Might be driving to Mexico.
That's all good too.
Yeah.
So what do you think of that one?
That's good. No, I mean you can't lose. It's Malibu. Or, no, it's not Malibu. It's
No, it's Whalers. It's
yeah.
a knockoff of Malibu.
Yeah.
It's still
Any
tasty.
coconut type of rum is always good. It's a lot of sugar.
I taste the pineapple over everything. Even though there's 3 ounces of the beer, I don't taste the beer at all. Do you taste the beer?
No. It gives it that little fuzz though. A little bit of.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
Great
good.
boat drink. Well, I wouldn't use. Well, you should use glass in a boat because plastic's bad for whales.
Yeah, but if it breaks, not good on a boat. But you know what you can do is use your big travel tumbler type mugs
Mm-hmm.
and those. The stainless steel tumblers
Yeah.
are great for that.
My Yeti.
So. Kim's got good neighbors. That looks like it's about ready to go for a walk.
Yeah, it's brewing up some stuff out west.
So hopefully our voices come out fine because you know this is going to pick up all the wind.
There's a big fuzzy thing that goes on top of it. Can you hear us?
It needs its fuzzy hair thing.
Anyway,
Anyway,
happy 4th.
happy
again.
4th of July.
And it's over, but
You know what to do. But we still got the whole weekend. It's a celebration for the whole weekend.
exactly. A whole month.
And from what I heard is that Britain got a new prime minister, so they're all celebrating there too.
Thatcher's gone.
Yep.
Been gone. That shows how much I keep up.
Yeah, I don't remember the name. Natalia posted it earlier.
But he's very
So-
handsome.
They are all celebrating.
Is it a woman?
Mm-mm.
Hey, you're doomed.
It's a man. But I'm gonna do a quick little, so that you can see what we got going on here. We got the little boat. Kim's talked about the little boat.
It's a dream.
And of course we got she's got the little palm tree.
And neighbors got boats.
Isn't that a beautiful backyard?
Water. Till they roomed out over there.
And there's Buddy. Hi, Buddy.